Kena already, gonna be full.
EV2 mafan lah. On 1st January, we check out all the DC chargers from KL to Malacca and back, and they are mostly available with no queues. Some of you commented, why not try the weekend when there are more people coming back to work? Sure, why not? It's 4th January on a Saturday, and the car has 38% battery remaining. Let's go from KL to Ipoh and back and check out all the DC chargers. Will we find any queue at the charger? Will we get stranded? There's only one way to find out. Berang Lay-by Northbound, 4 charging bays and no queue. Alright, TMB Electron, 1 BMW i7 is charging and the other is vacant. I'm gonna try out using this TMB Electron. So there's 2 nozzles, 100 kilowatts, this 80 kilowatts. Getting 100 kilowatts from this charger. TMB Electron, no queue. Let me just talk a bit about this TMB Electron location. So this location, well, it's covered, which is a good thing, and I heard that it's quite busy. So one way to book a slot is you can reserve it in the app in advance. So you can actually book it based on time slots. And number 2 is that this location is actually quite expensive. It's using time-based, so it's like 2.35 cents per minute, not per kilowatt hour, per minute. So it's quite pricey. And number 3 is that you need to use the GoToYou app. So GoToYou app is an e-wallet based system, so you need to top up the e-wallet first, and then you can start booking or start charging. So not as good as using credit cards, but I heard that that's coming very soon to TMB Electron chargers. Oh, another car's waiting for me. Time for me to go. Simpang Pulai Arena, Shell recharge, no queue. The thing about Shell recharge is that quite mahal lah. I think it's about RM2.20 per kilowatt hour, and you can reserve in the app, but you need to be here within 10 minutes or else you'll be penalized on something like that. But yeah, quite expensive, but you can reserve, and there's a parking barrier to reserve the spot for you. At Sunway X Park Ipoh, in front of Starbucks, there's a ChargEV DC charger and no queue. Letaklah baik-baik. This came off because the pin is missing. ChargEV, take note. And behind here, there's a 100 kilowatt DC charger by Gentari. The Dolphin's charging, but there's no queue. BYD Ipoh Inbound Square, Gentari 120 kilowatt DC charger, no queue. Oh, not bad, quite long. Juice okay, right? Jangan kecam ya. Okay, done. Top up to 62%, more than enough lah. BYD M6. Tapa Arena, Northbound, and this is ChargEV's 47 kilowatt DC charger. It's not turned on yet. Previously, this used to be an AC charger, and they have upgraded to DC. Hopefully, they turn this on before Chinese New Year. Shell recharge, 180 kilowatt, 2 charging bays at Tapa Arena, no queue. Berang Lay-by Southbound, this is Gentari's DC charger with 4 charging bays connected to a BESS, no queue. Ulu Benam Southbound, this is our favorite stop, and there are 2 charging bays available, no queue. I need to go to the toilet, so let's see how much I can charge in just 5 minutes. Okay, done in 5 minutes. 34 to 40%. Okay lah. Petronas Sungai Buloh Lay-by Southbound, 90 kilowatt DC charger, no queue. And finally, we're back in KL. Here are a couple of tips to ensure a smoother EV experience during your long distance trip. Number 1, you can use the PlugShare app to discover all the chargers around you. Number 2, you can check whether the chargers are available by looking into the app, and you can check even the BSS battery levels before arriving. Some chargers like TMB Electron and Shell Recharge allow you to reserve the spot before arriving, but do take note of the grace period. Lastly, stop charging at 80% at a DC fast charger, because the last 20% just takes too long, so it's best to stop charging and continue on until you need to charge again. Want to know how is it like during Chinese New Year and Hari Raya season? Follow us for more EV content.